Okay, let's turn to an India Today exclusive. They were touted as aviation hubs which would redefine air travel in India. 7 airports started with much fanfare a few years ago under the centre's flagship Udaan scheme. But just a few years down the line, multiple airports of UP lie in shambles. No passengers, no flights, and at least 6 of the 7 airports have now closed down. Here is an eye-opening report based on an RTI filed by my colleague Ashok Kumar Upadhyay and Samarth Srivastav. Take a look.
BJP's double-engine government could be in the dock. What started as a new era of aviation in Uttar Pradesh has sadly been grounded. Here is a stunning RTI reveal exposed in reply from the Airports Authority of India. The RTI input reveals that out of the 7 brand new airports in the state which started commercial flights in 2021, 6 of them no longer run flights. Only the Ayodhya airport remains viable for flights. India Today has highlighted the situation in Azamgarh, Aligarh, Moradabad, Kushinagar and Chitrakoot airports. With hundreds of crores spent on these airports to boost regional connectivity under the Udaan scheme, these airports now stand as mere showpieces. Inaugurated in March 2024, the airport operations were shut down abruptly. Now, only non-scheduled and chartered flights are operational at the airport.
फ्लाइट ऑपरेटर ने कुछ तकनीकी कारण की वजह से उन्होंने अपना ऑपरेशन अभी बंद कर दिया है। अभी आजमगढ़ एयरपोर्ट एक्चुअली वीएफआर एयरपोर्ट है, तो वीएफआर एयरपोर्ट के लिए 5 किलोमीटर विजिबिलिटी चाहिए होती है और जनरली सर्दी के मौसम में और बारिश के टाइम पे विजिबिलिटी न मिलने के कारण फ्लाइट सामान्यतः कैंसिल रहती है।
The Aligarh airport was upgraded under the Udaan scheme, is now unable to attract major airline operators. The airport remains non-operational for commercial flights since April 2025. Now this airport is primarily being used for training.
19 दिसंबर 2024 को बंद कर दिया गया था। उसके बाद से स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ आम आदमी के लिए, केवल ट्रेनिंग पर्पस से जो वहाँ पे ट्रेनिंग दिया जाता है वही अभी चल रहा है।
Touted as a game changer for the brass industry, regular flights to Moradabad airport lasted only a few months. Traders now wait for the promised connectivity that remains stuck on the ground. The Kushinagar International Airport was built, according to the RTI response, at a cost of 327.3 crore rupees, with the Airport Authority of India spending 125.3 crore and the state government spending 202 crore rupees. Launched in 2021 to link Buddhist pilgrimage sites, operations shut down in November 2023.
एयरपोर्ट बंद होने के कारण से बहुत से जो श्रद्धालु हैं वो कुशीनगर नहीं आ पाते क्योंकि उनके पास विकल्प की कोई व्यवस्था नहीं है।
Despite the high-profile inauguration by the Yogi government to boost regional connectivity in Bundelkhand, the Chitrakoot airport remains non-functional for commercial travel for the past 14 months.
The question is, the taxpayers' money which is being spent in the construction of these airports, making tall claims, is it a lie or what?
So is the centre's much-touted Udaan scheme, which aims to fly the Aam Aadmi, now grounded when it comes to BJP's Uttar Pradesh? With Ashok Kumar Upadhyay and Samarth Srivastav, Bureau Report, India Today.
That report based on an RTI.